Zynkez portable washing machine offers a compact and convenient solution for those dealing with medium to big loads of laundry. With its impressive 18 pounds wash capacity and 10 pounds spin capacity, this twin tub washer allows you to efficiently clean and spin dry your clothes simultaneously, making laundry a breeze. The 1300 RPM motor ensures excellent cleaning performance, leaving your clothes thoroughly clean. The blue transparent cover adds a nice touch, allowing you to keep an eye on your laundry progress. The high-speed spinning not only cleans effectively but also contributes to water and electricity savings, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The compact and portable design of the washing machine, with dimensions of 27 inches by 15 inches by 32 inches, makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, and even RVs. Its lightweight nature and easy maneuverability add to the convenience, saving space and making it a practical addition to your daily life. Ease of use is a highlight, thanks to separate time controls for washing and spinning. The 3 knobs on the control panel let you set washing time, washing mode, and spinning time effortlessly. The inclusion of an extended drain hose, for 0.3 feet, and a drain pump enhances the user experience, allowing for easy and efficient drainage. Constructed with a high-quality plastic body and an upgraded pulsator, this semi-automatic washer is designed for durability. Its resistance to rust ensures a long service life, giving you peace of mind in your purchase. Additionally, the availability of customer service teams adds an extra layer of support, assuring users that help is just a message or call away if any issues arise. In summary, Zynkez portable washing machine combines efficiency, portability, and reliability, making it a great choice for those seeking a versatile and user-friendly laundry solution.